iPad Pro M4, the fastest tablet ever? In the ever-evolving world of technology, Apple has once again raised the bar with the release of the iPad Pro M4, a device touted as the fastest tablet ever created. But what makes it stand out in a market full of high-performance tablets? Let's dive into the iPad Pro M4's revolutionary features, performance benchmarks, and why it's redefining the tablet experience for professionals and casual users alike. Unparalleled power with the M4 chip. At the heart of the iPad Pro M4 lies the Apple M4 chip, a powerhouse that delivers lightning-fast performance. Built on advanced architecture, the M4 chip brings desktop-class capabilities to a portable device. Compared to its predecessor, the M3 chip, the M4 offers a significant boost in both CPU and GPU performance, making multitasking and handling demanding apps a breeze. Whether you're editing 4K videos, rendering 3D models, or running graphic-intensive games, the iPad Pro M4 performs effortlessly. Benchmarks reveal that this tablet is nearly 30% faster than the previous model, setting new standards for tablet performance. Liquid Retina XDR display, a feast for the eyes. A device this powerful deserves a display to match. The 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display on the iPad Pro M4 is nothing short of stunning. Offering 1000 nits of brightness and a 1000:1001 contrast ratio, it provides vivid colors and true blacks that make every image pop. For creative professionals, this display is a game-changer, ensuring color accuracy for design work, photo editing, and more. Moreover, ProMotion technology delivers a 120 Hz refresh rate, making every swipe, scroll, and gesture feel fluid and responsive. For gamers, the combination of power and a high refresh rate transforms the iPad Pro M4 into an ultimate mobile gaming device. Enhanced productivity in iPadOS 18. With iPadOS 18, the iPad Pro M4 is no longer just a tablet, it's a full-fledged productivity tool. Features like Stage Manager allow users to manage multiple windows and apps seamlessly, transforming the tablet into a laptop replacement for many. Paired with the Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil 3rd generation, the iPad Pro M4 becomes an indispensable device for students, professionals, and creatives alike. New updates in iPadOS 18 introduce advanced note-taking capabilities, smarter widgets, and improved app integration, making the iPad Pro M4 more powerful than ever for day-to-day tasks. Connectivity and battery life. Apple has also upgraded the connectivity on the iPad Pro M4. It supports Wi-Fi 7, ensuring lightning-fast internet speeds and a more reliable connection. For those on the go, the 5G support means you're always connected at high speeds, whether you're in a coffee shop or traveling. Despite all this power, Apple has managed to maintain the impressive battery life iPads are known for, up to 10 hours of web browsing or media playback. Thanks to the energy efficiency of the M4 chip, users can enjoy powerful performance without sacrificing battery longevity. Is the iPad Pro M4 worth it? The real question is the iPad Pro M4 worth the hype? For those who need a device that can handle professional-level workloads while remaining portable and versatile, the answer is a resounding yes. For creatives, the iPad Pro M4 is a dream come true. Digital artists will appreciate the responsiveness of the Apple Pencil paired with the XDR display, while video editors can take advantage of apps like DaVinci Resolve running smoothly. Business professionals will love the device's ability to run multiple productivity apps, replacing the need for a laptop in many cases. Conclusion: the fastest tablet you can own. In a market flooded with options, the iPad Pro M4 truly stands out. With its unmatched performance, breathtaking display, and advanced software, it's not just the fastest tablet, it's the most versatile and powerful device Apple has ever produced in the tablet category. Whether you're a creative professional, a tech enthusiast, or simply someone who wants the best tablet experience, the iPad Pro M4 is a worthy investment. Its power, speed, and efficiency are in a league of their own, making it the gold standard for tablets in 2025.